Sairam children. Today we are going to do the revision of lesson number 2, How My Body Works. Children, do you remember what all things teacher had taught you in this lesson? Yes, teacher had taught you about sense organs, internal organs and how they work. So children, tell me, how many sense organs do we have? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. How did they help us? Let us see. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We taste with our tongue. We smell with our nose. We feel with our skin. Children, we also learned about internal organs. The organs which are present inside our body are internal organs. For example, brain, heart, lungs and stomach. Brain helps us to think. Lungs help us to breathe. Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. The food we swallow goes to the stomach. In the stomach, the food is broken down or digested. Okay, children. Now we are going to do some exercise. Choose the correct answer from the bracket. For each question, we have given 3 options. From these 3 options, we have to select the correct one. Let us see how to do this. Number 1. Which internal organ helps us when we breathe? Options are brain, lungs, heart. Children, tell me the answer. Which internal organ helps us when we breathe? Yes, the answer is lungs. Now teacher is going to put the tick for the correct answer. All of you see carefully. See, like this. The question is, which internal organ helps us when we breathe? The answer is lungs. Number 2. Where does the food gets digested? Options are lungs, stomach and heart. The answer is stomach. The food gets digested in the stomach. Where does the food gets digested? Answer is stomach. Which internal organ helps you to think? Options are stomach, heart, brain. The brain helps us to think. So the correct answer is brain. Brain helps us to think. How many sense organs do we have? We have eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. How many sense organs? 5. We have 5 sense organs. So the correct answer is 5. Which organ pumps blood to all the parts of the body? Options are heart, lungs, brain. The heart pumps blood to all the parts of the body. So the correct answer is heart. Which organ helps you when you do your homework? The brain helps us to think. So the answer is brain. Brain helps us when you do your homework. So the correct answer is brain. Which sense organ helps you to hear the sound? The options are eyes, ears, nose. Which sense organ helps you to hear the sound? The ears helps us to hear the sound. We hear with our ears. So the correct answer is ears. Which sense organ helps you to hear the sound? Answer is ears. Which sense organ helps you to smell? Options are eyes, ears, nose. We smell with our nose. So the answer is nose. Correct. Which sense organ helps you to feel? The options are skin, nose, eyes. We feel with our skin. So the answer is skin. Which sense organ helps you to feel? The answer is skin. Now we will do some fill in the blanks. Choose the correct word from the bracket. In this question, we have given 2 options. You have to choose the correct option. The question is the eyes, ears, tongue, skin, nose are called internal organs, sense organs. Options given are internal organs, sense organs. Which is the correct answer? The eyes, ears, tongue, skin, nose are called? Yes, sense organs. So the correct answer is sense organs. The dash is on the left side of the chest. Which internal organ is on the left side of the chest? Options are brain, heart. Do you know this answer, children? Yes, it is heart. Heart is on the left side of the chest. So the correct answer is heart. There are dash lungs in the chest. Options are 1, 2. We have 2 lungs in the chest. So how many lungs in the chest? 2. The correct answer is 2. There are 2 lungs in the chest. The dash is inside the head. Options are brain, lungs. Which internal organ is inside the head? Yes, brain. Brain is inside the head. So the correct answer is brain. The brain is inside the head. The breaking down of food is called options digestion, breathing. Which one is correct? The breaking down of food is called correct digestion. The breaking down of food is called digestion. So the correct answer is digestion. The breaking down of food is called digestion. Children, identify the given figure and choose the right answer. What is this, children? Yes, this is our internal organ. Now, in the bracket, heart and lungs is given. Now, tell me, which internal organ is this? Yes, it is lungs. It is our lungs. We have 2 lungs in our chest. So, this is lungs. The correct answer is lungs. See this picture of our internal organ. Options are stomach and brain. This internal organ found inside our head. So, which is this internal organ? Tell me. Yes, it is brain. It is our brain. This is our brain. See this picture. It is red in color. Inside the bracket, teacher is given brain, heart. Tell me. I'll give you one clue. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. Yeah, correct. It is our heart. It is our heart. See this picture. The bracket, lungs, stomach. Yes, it is our stomach. This is our stomach. Now we will do true or false. Select correct option from the bracket. Number 1. The organs which are found inside our body are called internal organs. What is internal organs? Yes, the organs which are found inside our body are called internal organs. So, this answer is true or false? Yes, this answer is true. So, we will click true. The organs which are found inside our body are called internal organs. It is true. My lungs pump blood to the whole body. Is it correct? Is it true? No. Then which is correct? Yes. My heart pumps blood to the whole body, not lungs. So this sentence is not true. It is false. My lungs pump blood to the whole body. That is false. My heart helps me to breathe. My heart helps me to breathe. Is it true? No? Then which internal organ helps you to breathe? Yes, lungs, not heart. So this sentence is not true. It is false. My heart helps me to breathe is false. My stomach helps me to digest food. Which internal organ helps you to digest food? Yes, stomach. So this sentence is true. My stomach helps me to digest food. This is true. The food we swallow goes to the stomach. This is true. Yes, this also true. The food we swallow goes to the stomach, and in the stomach the food is broken down or digested. So this sentence is also true. So children, we have done with our exercise. This is the pattern for FA2 exam. So all of you practice all these questions at your home. Okay children? See you. Bye.